Now we want to do the audio fading. What you need to do is right click on it, say add effect, audio correction volume with keyframe. Then you can see here there's a panel here, and I can set the keyframe on this timeline here. Let's say I want to start to the 100% here, so I click on the timeline here and go up here and click on the plus, so you can see here is keyframe added, and at the same time you can see there's a one dot here. Now I can click on this left button, previous keyframe. Click on it, I go to the keyframe here. You can see it in the timeline as well. Now I'm dragging this down to the level, make the audio level down, so you can see the audio will go up from here. Of course, at the same on the clip here, up here, you can do the same thing. Add effect, audio, volume, keyframe. And this time I go to here and add keyframe. Then you can see the keyframe here, and go to the end, add another keyframe here. Then I'm going to drag this down to 0. Then you can see the audio go down, and the next clip audio goes up. So you can see the magician perform this trick. And one thing I like to do is at the end of the video, I love to freeze a frame, and I also want to show you how to do this. Say I want to freeze this frame, then I'm going to cut it here, delete this one, and now I'm at this point. I'm going to select from this menu, and it's saying extract frame to project. Now I have to save the frame as an image, so let's call my image by you can see this is the single frame saved as an image. Now I can drag it down and put it here, and of course change the duration. Let's say I want it to for 2 seconds, and then you can see the frame is frozen, and I make the frame fade to black. And at the end of my video, I usually add the YouTube end screen, and this is what I show you at the very beginning. What you can do, I go to add title clip and load. I have already saved before. So here are the titles I have saved. This I called it end screen 17. Then this is my end screen. So every time I've just got all the text ready, the only thing I need to change is I go to here, change the month for my end screen, and click on OK. So the title clip appears here, and I drag it to here and make it 20 seconds, the YouTube end screen. Then you can see it will go up and here, then to start the end screen. So I got the text ready, I can load it anytime again. And so basically that's how I do the YouTube video. So a very important thing is I want to show you is this tool, just in case sometimes you want to move it. If you don't know that, you can easily get frustrated. this called space tool. Basically, if I select this one, then I can move everything from this point onward and whatever on the right hand side. If I click on it, you can see I can move the whole thing, including the transition here. If I can show you the difference. If I click on the normal selecting tool, I move it, you can see that the other thing is not moving with this part. If I select the spacer tool, then I can move the whole thing with everything on the right hand side. This is very important when you want to remove something in the middle. One more thing I want to show you is it's similar to the spacer tool. If I want to cut something in the middle, say I cut this and remove it, I've got a space here. Instead of moving the right hand side part with the spacer tool, I can just select here and say remove space. You can see the whole thing will move to this clip and get rid of the space. This is a very useful tool you need to know in case your project is getting bigger and then you change something in the very beginning of the project. And if you have everything done, then you just go to here, render, and select the location where you want to render your video. And say my video file name here, and I usually use the MP4 format here, and click on render. So I'm not going to show you my render result because it doesn't make much sense. I just create some random sequence of video. This video only gives you an overview of some basic features of Kdenlive, which will help you to create simple projects like YouTube video. You can try it out. Kdenlive now has a Windows version, and it's open source as usual and free. If you have any question, just post it in the comments. I also have other Kdenlive videos on my channel. Check it out. If you like the video, please click on like, and I hope you find the video useful. Thank you for watching. Bye.